in this video, I will show you how to create GIF from video on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over to easygif.com and then upload in here the video that you want to turn into a GIF. So let me just upload the video and I will open this and then I will upload this in there right here. So as you can see, I have uploaded it. Click on upload video as well, and then it will load the video GIF for this one. So let's just wait for that to finish the loading process for the upload right here. So as you can see, it has finished the upload process, and you can just put in here the start time as well as the end time right here. And you can just also put in here the actual size, and from there you can convert it from GIF to there. So let's just wait for this right here, and you can see the actual output for the GIF animation right here. Now, once you have seen this, click on convert, click on this right here, and then look for the GIF format. So if you can look for it, head over to the more tools, and also remove the background if you want as well. So head over and click on convert right here. And then in here, you can see that. And then in here, click on convert again, or you can also just right click on this, click on save image as, and then save this as a GIF, save this on the picture, click on save right here. Then as you can see, it will download on your tab. As you can see, it's done downloading. So let's head over in here to our store. Let's head over to our products and let's put this on a product description. So let's head over to the products right here. And on this thing right here, we just need to put that in here. So let me just click on this right here. Click on insert image. Click on add image. And then let's put the actual image that we have downloaded, which is this one. Click on open. And then this will upload our GIF. And as you can see, it's still uploading. So once it's done uploading, click on the check mark. Click on done. And then in here, it will be added. So let's click on the preview right here to let us see what it will look like. So let's scroll down, and as you can see, this is the GIF, and as you can see, it is moving as well. So next thing you need to do is to just save the progress, and that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe button. That's me reach more people. See you soon.